It takes a team to make it happen day to day here at US Salt.
Specifically at US Salt, we do manufacture a 26-ounce round can, which is your traditional can you'd find at Walmart, Target, etc. Specifically, our brand is Superior Crystal. So if you ever see the Superior Crystal salt, that's made in Watkins Glen, New York. We also produce multiple different product lines here: industrial grade salt, food grade salt, pharmaceutical grade salt. We also do totes and super sacks of all of our product lines for our numerous different customers.
Here at US Salt, we are a solution mining salt facility. Out here we have numerous wells that we pressurize with water, and we extract that water through 2 evaporator sets or 2 trains to make the evaporated salt that we have here at US Salt.
You don't realize how big of an item salt is and how much goes into making salt. It's a commodity that you really take for granted. I now see that in our guests and visitors' eyes when they come in, that I'm showing around of how large the facility is. I'm one of many legacies within this facility. I'm 4th generation. Our outgoing plant manager now has got over 45 years of service here. He goes back to his grandmother working here. You can remember her working on the sewing line. It's really just a great atmosphere.
Every day, we just try to strive to do better. My goal every day is to beat my production rate from the day prior. Everybody works together to do that. We have competition between shifts to see who can produce the most. And with that, give out little rewards for it, and it keeps everybody going day to day.
We really look out for our employees. We just don't meet the minimum. We try to exceed the maximum of what we can do for everybody.
Safety at US Salt is truly our first priority. It's our overriding priority before we do anything. And that could be, servicing equipment, to work in the brine field, to putting salt in cans or bags. Safety is our first and overriding priority here at US Salt.
One of our guiding principles is that people and the environment are US Salt's most valuable assets. I want to emphasize people. Without the 200 people that come to US Salt Monday through Sunday, 24/7, salt does not get in a can, it doesn't get into a bag, it doesn't get shipped out to our customers. Although you might not think it, salt is a life-saving commodity. It's put in numerous different pharmaceuticals. We're one of the few companies within the US that produce pharmaceutical grade salt. Without it, people would, literally be dying.
We are a growing company, although we, have around 200 employees currently. But the sky's the limit. If you want to be part of a growing team, I would really encourage you to join us.
I'm Brandon Swords with US Salt, and we make salt.